Welcome to the New Lemurian. I'm your host, Oribel Joy Divine. All our life lessons have been about love, how to respond with love for yourself and love for another. To be exact, it is love for self and love for the other self. You see, there are no others. There is only another you, in another expression, with a different experience. We are each other's teacher. When you do something that makes me angry, you are teaching me to look at the anger I'm feeling. What is triggering that anger in me? That means there is still karma for me to address. There is still forgiveness work for me to do. Forgiveness, like compassion and kindness, is an act of love. When we've learned our lessons, when we've forgiven ourselves and others completely, nothing can trigger in us a response other than love. This is the mastery of love. This is a great spiritual growth. I'd like to share with you a story from the teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. He was a Hindu sage. A disciple once asked the sage, "How can we best love others?" Ramana Maharshi replied, "There are no others." There is also a Lakota phrase, "Mita kuye oyasin." We are all related. There is a Mayan phrase, and it goes like this, "In Lakech Ala K'in." I am you, and you are me. A modern translation, I am another yourself. This statement of unity, Lakech Ala K'in, can also be used as a greeting to the sunrise, or when you encounter beauty in nature, or when you interact with pets and other animals, or when you are in meditation or prayer. Your intention is to acknowledge and honor the understanding that we are divine beings that are all connected to the source. You may also use Lakech Ala K'in as a silent blessing by repeating it in your mind and heart towards another who is in need or a situation. You are sending love energy to the recipient. This is how you can send energy quietly and yet powerfully. In closing, I send you this blessing. In Lakech, you are my other me. If I do harm to you, I do harm to myself. If I love and respect you, I love and respect myself.